Got a few odd noises going on here. I'm in the laundry room, cleaning litter boxes, running the washing machine. That's what you hear. Thinking about Summer Wells. Because while I was doing the things I just said I'm doing, I was letting the short I just uploaded replay on my phone. I started the joke that started the whole world crying. And I'm also trying to think about if I want to go live to talk about what I think about Don Wells' reaction to the possibility. Y'all already know I don't think it's summer. Strong resemblance, but distinct differences. Don Wells' lack of enthusiasm, lack of curiosity, lack of anything other than his usual rhetoric. It's the president's fault that they don't have any of their kids. Don Wells, it's you and your wife's fault you don't have any of your kids. And I want to go live so badly to discuss your discussion with White Boy Lockdown Radio on YouTube in this regard. But I think anybody who's watching or listening to this right now can sense that I don't, at this moment anyway, have my emotions are not well balanced at this moment in regards to Summer Moon Utah Wells, her disappearance on the 15th of June of 2021 from 110 Ben Hill Road in the Beach Creek community near Rogersville, can I motherfucking see? Fucking timeline discrepancies. And a neighbor who live before last night, after seeing my short telling her to shut the fuck up because she's totally irrelevant and she is not a witness because she didn't see a fucking thing. Her live right after that was to let the world know that she will say whatever she wants to say about anything she wants to say it about. And she made that very clear. Then last night, let the world know that she has got to be careful about what she says. Zip that lip, neighbor. Why? Why in 36 hours did you go, washing machine, did you go from you can say anything you want about anything you want at any time you want to you have to be really careful what you talk about? Neighbor, you should have thought of that over 3 years ago. So, just keep on using your time compiling. Because guess what? That's what some of us out here are doing too. We just don't spend hours on end on YouTube fucking bragging about it. If I can settle down, I'll try to go live later. regarding Don Wells' lackadaisical response to a possible sighting of his missing daughter, Summerman, Utah Wells. Why would you look for something if you know where it is?